Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. Today I'm going to do another acrylic ink design. This time I'm going to do a flower on paper. Now make sure you check out the description below for the specific type of paper and inks and the recipe for my ink mixture, all of that in the description below, because I'm going to try to keep this video pretty concise for you so that it doesn't drag out too long. So I'm starting with some plain water in this little squeeze bottle here. And I'm just making it's a little hard to see because it's clear, but a little bit of a tulip shape on the paper. Today I'm going to be working with a Montmartre set of acrylic inks that I got. Again, check out the description below for that link. It came with quite a few colors. I'm going to use violet and scarlet and a beige color. So I'm going in with my scarlet color. And it can get a little tricky trying to move the ink around in the water using paper. So what you can do as well, instead of tilting it, is just use a paintbrush, and you'll see I start to switch to that pretty soon so I can get the shape that I want. That's a little more control. So the goal here is really to do a set of layers. So each layer will need to dry at least 24 hours. And then I will keep adding layers, one each day, until it looks like this beautiful layered flower. Okay, so this is day 2. As you can see, some spots dried a little darker than others, but that's okay. We're going to keep adding to this layer. Just going in with the plain water again, and I'm going to repeat exactly what I did on the first day. This time I'm going to add a little bit more shape to make it look a little more like petals on the paper. Right, I'm actually going to bring out some other petals that look like they're a little bit farther in the background here. Make it look a little more whimsical. Okay, so this is the next day after that layer has dried. And I'm going to use a beige color to give it a little more dimension and break up some of this dark red. It'll also give it some more yellow tones. All right, and then this is the last day, and I'm going to go in with a darker color. This time it's going to be my violet color. All right, so now I am going to let this dry and see how it turns out. All right, awesome. I love how this looks a little bit playful. It looks very whimsical, and also I love that the inks dry in kind of a funky way. It's not like a traditional paint where you would have defined brush strokes. It looks very fluid and a little abstract, and I just love these acrylic inks lately. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I will see you next time.